In this question, we are given that a certain list L, it contains a total of n numbers. So, the list n will have n and they are not distinct. We also know that this list is arranged in increasing or ascending order. We are also given that L1 is the list consisting of first n numbers. N1 numbers. The list N1 contains first N1 numbers and the list L2 contains the last N2 numbers. We have to find if 17 is a mode of L. A very common mistake that students end up making here is that they assume that the total number of numbers in the list L is N1 and N2. Here we are not given that the value of N1 plus N2 will give us the total number of numbers in the list. So, keeping this in mind, we move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. We are given that 17 is a mode for L1 and 17 is a mode for L2. Suppose we have a list of numbers. So we are given that this list L1 has the mode equal to 17 and we have the other list L2 which consists of the last n2 numbers and the mode of this list as well is 17. Now since this is arranged in ascending order, then we should have the middle numbers also to be equal to 17 such that the mode of the numbers in the middle is also equal to 17. Now let's understand this with the help of example. Suppose I have a list of numbers which are 1, 2, 4, 17, 17, 17, 17, 17, 20 and 25. Now suppose this is the first N1 number and this is the second list which contains the last N2 numbers. Then the number left in the middle will be equal to 17. Here the first list has the mode equal to 17. The last list has the mode equal to 17. Then since it is arranged in ascending order, obviously the numbers in the middle will also have the mode equal to 17. Hence, from statement 1 we can conclude that 17 is a mode of L. So from statement 1 we can answer the question with a definite yes. So statement 1 is sufficient and out of the given options we eliminate options B, C and E. Now let's move on to statement 2. In statement 2 we are given that n is equal to n1 plus n2. That means that the total number of numbers in list 1 and the total number of numbers in list 2 is equal to the total number of numbers in the list. But here we have no information about the mode of L1 or L2. So we cannot conclude or answer the question with a definite answer that 17 is a mode of L or not. So statement 2 is not sufficient and thus the correct answer is option A.